watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell to be notified of any videos that we have coming out. So today we are making a smoothie. So a nice healthy smoothie. It's watermelon, banana, and pineapple. So stay tuned. Okay, let's start making our smoothie. First of all, we're going to use watermelon that we've pre-frozen in a bag. We're going to open that up and put it into the blender. This is just frozen watermelon that we cut up and cubed, and we just froze it. So some of it's like still stuck together, so what we're going to do is chop up some of the pieces and break it up a little bit so it can go in there a little bit smooth. Next, we're going to use our bag of pineapple that we cut up, and we froze that into the freezer as well, and we put that into a bag. So we're just going to add a little bit of pineapple that may have been, I think we're adding maybe about 2 cups maybe, approximately, and probably about 3 cups of watermelon. Frozen watermelon, that is fresh watermelon. We're going to use a bottle of water, and that is a 16-ounce water, and then we have our whole hemp seeds. And we're just going to use 1 tablespoon of whole hemp seeds. So there's a lot of beneficial properties to whole hemp seeds. We'll put that in the description for you so you can read on it. But if you have inflammation or anything like that, it's really good for that, or pain. So we're going to start off just putting about half of the water, the bottle of water. You can use any liquid that you want to use. We like to use water, or sometimes we may use like almond milk, coconut milk, silk milk. And most of the time we simply use water so we don't have all the extra additives. We're also deciding to add a banana. This banana is not frozen, and that's okay because we already have the watermelon and pineapple that's frozen. So we broke the banana in half, and we're just going to insert it. So bananas are good for your potassium and a lot of other things as well. So we're going to add more water. We don't want to add too much in the very beginning, so we just have a little bit left. We're going to put the lid back on to the So I'm pushing everything down, a little bit towards the bottom, getting it off of the sides. And I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the water. Well, almost all. So it's still pretty frozen. We're probably going to add the rest of the water from the bottle. So we just added a total of the whole 16-ounce bottle of water. So we're just going to pour the rest of that in there. We're going to add a little bit more pineapple. Looks like it's nice and frozen. I love it when it's that frozen. So this is a perfect smoothie. So you see we have quite a bit left, so yum, we get to put the rest of that. Looks like that's almost over 8 or 10 ounces left over. We're going to put our straws in, and then we're going to taste it. Yep, that looks like maybe about 10 ounces or more left.